Had a lot of discussion, well, a lot. One or two guys talk about not having slip sheets and how condensation and everything it could possibly get through and cause the roof to leak. I'm going to say it's a bunch of bull, but I'll do a video separate on that. But I want you guys that are watching these videos to understand I'm not doing this because I get paid a lot of money or something by you guys watching, and I certainly wouldn't get paid if I told you the wrong thing. So the people that are being negative, if you notice, and there's not very many, they don't say anything positive. So in reality, they're the same kind of person that might be criticizing Mother Teresa for not having a better career. So I will help you with your confidence about how you feel about what I do, so that you can know how to do it, because I don't do metal roofs in anywhere but this area, about a 2-hour radius. I don't do it in Seattle, I don't do it, so all you people that are in whatever town, take confidence that ne'er-do-wells will always be there and that these things can be done. And I'll do a separate video about how condensation happens and what you might do to not let condensation be there. In this case, shingle roof, don't need slip sheets, which is just another way to spend money and make it seem like they're doing something special, and they need talent.